Okay, hi everyone. Hi. Welcome to another edition of Cook with NOPL. I'm Miss Sarah from the North Syracuse Library, and I have my niece. And today we're going to show you how to make chocolate peanut butter balls. What's nice about this recipe is that it is kid friendly, so kids are going to like it, and they can also help you make it because it's a no-bake recipe, which is awesome. So Sadie's getting the first part ready.
Which is the peanut butter.
Yep, and how much do we need?
1 cup.
That's right. So 1 cup of peanut butter, and we're using the all-natural peanut butter. This is a recipe that is a little bit healthier for you. So that's why you want to use the all-natural.
Except for the chocolate part.
Well, that's the fun part.
Yeah, chocolate's fun.
Yeah. And so we're also going to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we have our bowl right here. So we can get that started because it's going to take a while to get a whole cup of peanut butter. So then we're going to do 3/4 of flour. And so today we're using the almond flour.
You already put it in?
I'm doing it right now. Which is, again, that's flour that's just a little bit better for you than regular flour, but obviously use whatever you have on hand.
If you have like this tiny little jar of peanut butter, I'm pretty sure you're getting your bowl of it. Because I'm almost down to the bottom.
Sisterly love, am I right?
Mom, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Stop flinging water at me. She flung water at me because she was washing her hands.
Now don't tell on your mother. And then we're going to want 2 tablespoons of syrup. And we're using pure maple syrup, which again, that's a little bit better for you than the other kind.
Is this good?
Yes. You want me to put it in? And then you're going to get your peanut butter in here. So she's going to let me do this part.
Yep. And I'll do the chocolate.
And so the next part is we're going to form the balls.
Ooh, that looks good.
And to do that, I get to spray my hands with this cooking spray.
Ew.
Yes, that's why I did it. I figured you wouldn't want to.
I'm unwrapping the chocolate.
And that's going to make it a lot easier when you're forming them. And so this should make around...
So this is like Willy Wonka chocolate.
This should make about 20 to 24.
Did I get a golden ticket? No.
And then you're going to put them on a pan.
Delicious.
No. And then they go into the fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, so we got the peanut butter balls in the fridge. And again, they're going to be in there for 20 minutes. And now we're going to do the chocolate part. So break apart the chocolate and put it in this bowl.
I've never tried this kind of chocolate before. It's better to use dark chocolate too.
Yep, dark chocolate is actually a little bit better for you than regular chocolate. And one of the ways you can know that is by how much of the cacao is in it. This is 60%.
How do you say that?
And there's my mom in the background talking.
Or just
Cacao. So there's 60% in this one, which means it's a little bit better for you than something else. And then you're going to want a little coconut oil in it.
And
This
remember
is just
to
going to
put
help
the
it.
chocolate into the microwave.
Yes, thank you for reminding them. And we just had the coconut oil spray. So now we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Nope, we need to do another 30 seconds.
So we have to do another 30 seconds. So it's actually going to be 1 minute, okay? If you're using a lot of chocolate.
Yes, and you always want to make sure that you don't burn the chocolate, which is why I started at 30 seconds. Okay, so we did it another 30 seconds, and so now we just need to stir it. So yes, she just showed you. Stir it really good.
I'm eating a cherry, just so you know.
Stir it really good so that there are no lumps. Okay, and we still need to wait about 15 more minutes to bring those peanut butter balls out of the fridge. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. So one of the things I forgot to show you is you're going to want to make sure you have like wax paper or something on the tray. And so now, as you can see, I'm not really good at making circles, but that's okay because it's going to taste the same. So then we dunk them in here. Sadie's going to get them all nicely lathered up with chocolate. So I'll show you how that looks. You can use a spoon if you don't want to get your hands dirty. You can also use toothpaste, but I like using the spoon because then you can get it covered up really good. And once
really good at this, but
you need help? No, you got it. And once you get all these chocolate covered peanut butter balls ready, then it needs time for the chocolate to harden. And that takes between like 30 and 60 minutes. So that's probably the hardest part of the recipe, is waiting to taste these amazing creations.
Okay.
So see, and so she's gonna show you just how it looks.
It's very chocolatey.
So it's gonna look nice and chocolatey. Yum. But not ready to eat yet.
Yeah, and then we put it back on.
Yes. And so that's why you want that parchment paper or wax paper, whatever you have, because you don't want to get your tray all chocolatey. And sometimes the chocolate might kind of spread out a little. So it's good to have this paper. Okay, so they've been in the fridge for about an hour, and these lovely people are some of the people you heard in the background or saw in the background. They want to be in the video for the taste test. So it's the moment of truth. There's one for my mom. Sadie gets one.
I don't want one.
She doesn't want one right now. And there's my sister.
I don't want one right now. I'm in my bathing suit because I was just in the pool.
Oh, they're already eating them.
This one's for me. Yeah.
Very good.
Now can I give them to
So,
friends? I'll do.
Yes, you can bring them to some friends outside. So
there's 3.
So you're almost as tall as me.
I'm gonna want one.
So you're gonna want to keep these in the fridge if you have any left. I don't think we are going to. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy these chocolate peanut butter balls, and make sure you tune in next week for the next Cook with NOPL video. Okay, everyone say bye.
Bye.